morning, guys. I hope you guys had a great weekend. So for today, we have GBP Bank Holiday, and we also have something going on in Japan today. So we're just gonna see if we're gonna get volume here when London session opens. So we'll see what happens. But as far as EJ goes here, we've just been ranging here. So, and if we look on the 4 hour, we actually still bearish. So, I'll be looking for sales until I'll be looking for sales below 142,900. And as far as buys goes, I'll be looking at buys at 143.300. But at the same time, we do have all these zones here. Then we have another one here. So the best buys on EJ actually is going to be above 143,700. So for now, we're going to see how price moves if we do break above 143,300. All right, so but for now, I'll be looking for sales below 142,900. All right. Okay. So that's what I'm looking for now. Let's see what we have here. Good morning, Tony. Good morning, JND Family Tree. Good morning, Can. So if we do not have volume 1 hour after London session opens, guys, I'm gonna end this stream because, like I said earlier, we have bank holiday in the UK, and we also have holiday in Japan. So we might not have volume today. So we just gotta wait and see what happens here. Good morning, AP. Good morning, Yvonne. Good morning, Paul. Just EJ, J and the family tree, just EJ. Just EJ. Good morning, Rara.
Yeah. Oh, ooh, yeah. I'm out of yeah. Turn up for the night. Real thing, she's no average girl. Too fine, oh she might. Yeah, I just wanna call on you. Money just fall on you. Another thing I won't do. Ooh yeah, eh. I just wanna call on you. Let me do it all for you. Can't nobody ball on you. Ooh yeah, eh. She the girl in my visions. Now that I found you, I'm feeling for all your attention. Yeah, hope you don't mind if I give you a tour of my mansion. Yeah, all of this for you, babe. Nothing I won't do, babe. Weak for your love. Everywhere we go, it be alright. Yeah, can't help it with your body. Just wanna make you happy. I just wanna call on you. Money just fall on you. Another thing I won't do. Ooh yeah, I just wanna call on you. Let me do it all for you. Can't nobody ball on you. Ooh yeah, yeah. Yeah. Turn up for the night. Real thing, she's no average girl. Too fine, oh she might give up on the baggage, girl. You got too much going on in that mind. Let me help you. Yeah. Let me give you the moments in your life to step to fly away.
Probably I do not have break even because of my strategy. My strategy is securing 10 pips and moving stops to entry. So even if price comes back and takes me out, I still took some money out. So that's not a break even trade. So that's why I do not have any break even. I hope that makes sense. Good morning, Wim83. Some people they just move their, they move their stops to entry. They do not take any partials. I don't trade that way. I take partials, then I move my stops to entry. Oh, I didn't know I was on mute. Yeah, yeah, Rosberg. So I was saying that EG has just been ranging, and we have GBP Bank Holiday and JPY Holiday as well in Japan. So, and EG has just been ranging since Asian session opened. So we'll see if we're going to eventually have a breakout of this range either to the upside or to the downside. So we'll see what happens. I'm expecting sales because I'm bearish on EJ based off the higher time frame. So we'll see what happens. If we break above this trend line, then we should continue pushing up to the New York highs. So we'll see. Because every time price tried to break above the trend line, we kept on rejecting, rejection, rejection, rejection. So if we eventually break above it this time around and break out of this Asian session highs, we should continue pushing to the upside. Can you guys hear me now? Did you guys hear what I just said? All right, cool, cool. You want me to look at German 30? uh, so German 30 just rejected off of a support. You already missed the move on German 30. Yeah, man. You missed the move on German 30. Now you gotta wait for price to actually really close below this support for price to continue pushing, because right now we could be creating a demand here, because if we look to the 4 hour, we at a key level right here. We got support, support, resistance. So we at a key level. So we could reject that and go back to the previous high around 127.80. But But I'll be looking for breaks below this support to take sales. All right. You're welcome.
Yeah. Oh my vibe con your oh my trato on your him no make you happy. No. Him no make you feel like I do. They both turning my way. Yeah. I can feel you warming up to me. Oh, think I got a shot like a free throw. Right up in the game with no cheat code. Girl, you took my heart like a repo. All these other girls not even close. Something's telling me that she knows. Oh, stuck in my mind. Things I would do for you. Stuck in my mind. Long nights thinking of you. Stuck in my mind. Yeah. Oh my God, when you're stuck in my mind. Oh, yeah. Oh my thoughts on your mind. Did not see you last week. Told me you will make it up to me. Just wanted you closer, closer. Electric feel when you brush up on me. Oh, think I got a shot like a free throw. Right up in the game with no cheat code. Girl, you took my heart like a repo. All these other girls not even close. Something's telling me that she knows. Oh, stuck in my mind. Things I would do for you. Stuck in my mind. Long night.
You know what I'm gonna do here, guys? I don't even know why I have a break even on my streams record and my signals record. I never get break even, so I'm gonna take that off real quick. I have a love and hate relationship with gold, Yvonne. Money, I lost more than I won when I was trading gold, so I stopped trading it. Alright, it's better. Good morning, Adikia. I have no idea, Roseberg. I don't know. Yes, this is EJ Jenkins. And at this point, we're just ranging. That's all EJ is doing. Just ranging. EJ does, let's see, right before Euro. It's actually medium. It's medium. I don't see any high impact news for the euro. Just medium and low news. Yes, I'm using investing.com. That's what I'm using. And when you go to investing.com, you see all these stars. 3 stars means high impact news, 2 star means medium, 1 star means low. That's all it is. And then you can change the time to your time zone so it matches whatever time zone you're in. 1 star low impact news, 2 star medium impact news, 3 stars high impact news. Uh-oh. No, I'm not muted. So we got like 27 minutes to London Open, and then we'll see what happens. When I trade currency pairs, I trade 30 minutes, trade 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, but most of the time my entries are on the 30 minute when I trade currency pairs. When I trade indices, my entry is always on the 5 minute time frame. Always and only on the 5 minute time frame. Yes, Roseberg. I prefer the 5 minute on the on indices. Cleaner, better entries. Plus I'm just scalping it, so there's no reason for me to just trade it on a 1 hour. Plus I do not trade breakouts on with indices. I trade supply and demand with indices. And I like it better on the 5 minute time frame. I have nothing against gold. It's just not for me. And the sooner people understand that gold isn't for everyone, the better for you. I know gold isn't for me, so I stopped trading it. Just as I told you guys, and I've been telling you guys since the beginning of this week, I told everyone in my private mentorship as well that next year we're sticking to trading straight up indices. No more currency pairs, straight up indices. And I actually told them today that it's gonna be this right here, NAS 100 and XPS 500. Those are the only two indices we're gonna be trading starting from next year. No currency pair, straight up indices, 100%. 100%. I will still live stream, obviously, and it's gonna be this pair and GJ for next year. But for me, I won't be trading currency pairs. If I was live streaming in New York, then I will live stream the indices trade as well. But I don't. I only live stream London. So live stream London session currency pairs because I do not trade indices. No time else. I only trade it during NYSC. So currency pairs for live for the London session streams and straight up indices for my private mentorship during NYSC. Good morning, Glody. I said that's a smart decision. Yeah, we've been killing NAS 100. NAS 100 became our slave. I should cut London out. No, I actually like London session. I really do. I like London session actually. When I first started trading, I started off with London session. Yeah, I know that as well, but I'm just gonna stick to NAS and XPS 500.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You know, even try to. Nobody can match you. Don't you for life. Sexy mind and body. You already got me now. Loving you madly. Girl, you might be matching your
I'll be right back, guys. Hopefully, we have a break below this support. I'll be right back.
Uh-huh. Amaru. Make it fire. Yeah. Me no understand why you not here with me. Let me take it over for you, girl. You've been out searching the wrong place. On your mind, only place that I wanna be. You define what true beauty is all the way. So divine, God must took a long time to make you. Yeah, I know that you've been here before. It's different this time. You have me on your side. Follow me, follow me. I go show you the way. Oh, follow me, I go show you the way. Oh, c'est la vie, no movie. I go show you the way. Oh, follow me, I go show you the way. Oh, hey, mind your words when you talking about my baby. I'm out of words every time that she whining for me. For me, eyes only, body in motion, but her eyes on me. Her ex-boyfriend sent the guys on me. Turn around when they saw the 9 on me. Hey, I know that you've been here before. It's different this time. You have me on your side. Follow me,
Alright, I'm back.
follow me,
Good morning to Chico.
I go show you the way. Oh, follow me, I go show you the way. Searching, yeah. You be searching in the wrong place. Girl, you be searching, yeah. You be searching in the wrong place, yeah. I know that you've been here before. It's different this time. You have me on your side. Follow me, I go show you the way. Oh, follow me, I go show you the way. Oh, c'est la vie, no movie. I go show you the way. Oh, follow me, I go show you the way. Oh, I'ma be right here again, right next to you. Surfing in the wrong way. Surfing. Searching. You be searching, yeah. In the wrong place. Yeah. Yeah. Ever danser, ever bouger, yeah. Never seen it quite like this. She be the hottest in town, coming out the twilight lit. Yeah, let them know who got the crown. Girl, who does it like you do? Always keep it hundo when you move. You don't really want it with her crew. Yeah, don't need that drama. She calling your mama. Ooh, who that on the move? We rolling with the baddest, we can't lose. Party till the morning, how we do. Just had to feel on your body, girl. You so addicted. She got that tsunami. When you there with me, can't be still. Don't you hurt nobody. You be alone if looks can kill. Hey, for don't say, for bouger. Girl, you got the whole town screaming. Hey, for don't say, for bouger. Girl, you got the whole town screaming. Hey, for don't say, for bouger. Don't say, for bouger. Don't say, bouger. Girl, you got the whole town screaming. Wind up on me now, wind up on me, girl. We on the dance floor, we vibing. We in so deep like we mobbing. You got my temperature rising. No one like you, boo. Always keep it hundo when you need that drama, she calling your mama. Ooh, who that on the move? We rolling with the baddest, we can't lose. Party till the morning, how we do. Just had to feel upon your body, girl, you so addicted. She got that tsunami. When you there with me, can't be still. Don't you hurt nobody. You be alone if looks can't kill. For danser, for bouger. Girl, you got the whole town screaming. Hey, for danser, for bouger. Girl, you got the whole town screaming. Hey, for danser, for bouger. Danser, for bouger. Danser, bouger. Girl, you got the whole town screaming. Ce soir avec moi, elle veut danser. Yeah. Hey, faut danser, faut bouger. Girl, you got the whole town screaming. Hey, faut danser, faut bouger. Girl, you got the whole town screaming. Hey, faut danser, faut bouger. Danser, faut bouger. Danser, bouger. Girl, you got the whole town screaming. Yeah. Into me. I'm out of hey. All that designer no do you no justice, you one of a kind. Seen you like twice, but you know what they say, that 3 times is a charm. You probably heard it a lot, but baby, why you looking so fine? KMT to the haters. Girl, where you been? Hiding out all day. I've been having all these dreams that you'll be mine someday. Ever since I saw you last time, been a call away. But you right here now. Let's close this case down, yeah. So come, baby, come, baby, come, baby, come, baby, come, baby, come. Won't you come here to me? Hey. You say come, baby, come, baby, come, baby, come, baby, come, baby, come. Won't you come here to me? She the type that you can never let go. Turn your life around cause she's special. Attitude is out if you test though. You don't find this one on the net, oh. So don't test though. Hey, baby, you killing me small when you're smiling. Wanna explore your talents. Wondering where you've been. Hiding out all day. I've been having all these dreams that you'll be mine someday. Ever since I saw you last time, been a call away. But you right here now. Let's burn this place down, yeah. So come, baby, come, baby, come, baby, come, baby, come, baby, come. Won't you come here to me? Come here to me. You say come, baby, come, baby, come, baby, come, baby, come, baby, come. Won't you come here to me? Come here to me. Come here to me, girl, yeah. Girl, where you been? KMT to the haters, they don't wanna see us. Let me be your man. 3rd time is a charm. Loving your smile, girl. So come, baby, come, baby, come, baby, come, baby, come, baby, come. Won't you come here to me? Come here to me. You say come, baby, come, baby, come, baby, come, baby, come, baby, come. Won't you come here to me? Come here to me, girl.
No volume at the moment. Good morning, Saeed. I'm good, and you? 30-minute closure, or on a 5 minute, we need something like this on a 5 minute. All right. So entry is either going to be on the 30 or the 5 minute. Once we have the closure, I'm going to go back to the 5 minute. So we'll be going back and forth between the 5 and the 30. So our entry could either be on the 30 or on the 5 minute. Two more minutes for London Open.
Yeah, Amaru. I need a second. I need to
All
think
right.
this through. Your words are
We on the
weapons.
5 minute.
Can't you see what you do, girl? Know you fine. Why you have to be so tough? Why you gotta be so tough? Got your own, but can tell you need some love. Yeah, feels like I've known you, girl, all my life. When I'm with you, nothing else matter. You know that. Nothing else matter. Don't go back. I don't they wait on you for too long, but I want you. Them go tell you you should fall back. Deep inside you know that I go make you go lovey-dovey. Your body on me make you go lovey-dovey. Yeah, make you go lovey-dovey. Your body on me make you go lovey-dovey. Yeah, she turn it up like a radio. 10 out of 10, that's my baby, oh. Knows how to make me go crazy, oh.
I need this
My baby is something rolling her
and
eyes
then
just to
a
let me know.
continuation.
Sometimes we argue like here we go. When we make love, it's a movie though. Hey, I can never get enough, babe. Feels like I know you girl all my life. When I'm
30
with
minute
you,
has no top wick.
nothing else matter, you know that. Nothing else matter, don't go back.
It could
I
freaking
don't they wait
continue
on you
or it
for
could
too
flip
long,
bullish
but I want
and then
you.
give you fake out.
Them go
So
tell you you should fall back. Deep inside you know that I
I'm
go
gonna
make
continue
you
waiting.
go lovey-dovey. Your body on me make you go lovey-dovey. Yeah, make you go lovey-dovey. Your body
Patience, 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 guys. Now, if this 30-minute candle flips, right? If this 30-minute candle flips bearish, I'll be looking to take it. All right, so we'll see what happens. No, I'm not in any trade yet. still gonna move this stop loss down a little bit if this candle flips bearish, but we are not in yet. You're watching from Italy? Oh, I'm based in the United States. Indices analysis is always on the 4-hour time frame, entry on the 5-minute. Man, NAS 100 surprised me today with this Asian session move. Really surprised me. Very interesting. I don't trade US 30, just NAS 100 and SPS 500. Come to the gold side. Nah, gold is not for me. I'd rather trade indices than trade gold. Just like how some people will never trade indices, but they will trade gold, I feel the same way. That's how it is in these industries. Indices are fun, man. Indices is way better than gold. Way better than gold. All you need is just for you to trade indices. It could be NAS, it could be US 30, it could be XPS 500, it could be German 30, UK 100. All you need is to just trade it one time. Just one time, and it goes your way. You'll be like, man, gold is full of BS. I'm done with gold. You're just gonna leave gold. You're gonna throw gold out the window and start trading indices. Now, but at the same time, just because you traded that indices, whatever one it is, and it went your way, doesn't mean you trade it the second time and it goes your way. You have to understand it. You have to master it. You have to understand how it moves. You have to understand the right time to trade it before you actually start trading it often. You said F gold. I've given myself, I've given my, and I don't care how anyone feels about it. I've given myself the name King of NAS. King of NAS 100. I am the king of NAS 100. I don't care what anyone says. This title belongs to me. King Abe Forex is out the window. Everyone should start calling me this name. King Abe Forex is out the window. Call me King of NAS 100. That's my name now. You gotta see me trade NAS. Go to the Discord, you'll see it. Go to the Discord, you'll see it, and keep scrolling up, or join the mentorship, and you'll see for yourself. A1 Media Group, you in the mentorship? I didn't know you was in the mentorship because that's the only place I call my NAS trades. I should play some NAS songs in the background. Man, I wish I could. Oh, you use a different name in Discord? Oh, okay. I didn't know. Black Math, yeah, that's what it's looking like. But we have a possible, looking at the 5, we have a possible rejection at 143.063, and we also have a possible rejection right where we at right now. We got the possible rejection zone there, and we got a possible rejection zone here at 143.063. Alright, possible rejection zone at 142.995, 143.063. If the 30-minute close bullish, right, we're gonna go to the 1 hour to look for our entry. 1 hour flips bearish, we take the sell. Stop loss is gonna be above that wick. Just look at the 4 hour. So patience, patience, patience. And honestly, to tell you guys the truth, I don't care for Forex pairs anymore. I really don't. When you have a pair or 2 pairs that is like continuously paying you, I mean like really continuously paying you, like why not keep trading that pair? Obviously that means that pair is for you. That means you figured something out in regards to that pair. Since you figured something out in regards to that pair, even if it means that's the only pair you're gonna trade for the rest of your freaking life, I mean till the day you leave this earth, stick to that pair. Do not change, do not switch, because at the end of the day, you're in this industry to do what? To make money, be profitable, and do it consistently. So if all it takes is just one pair that's making you profitable consistently, man, stick to that pair, man. If anyone is telling you, oh, you don't know how to trade, all you trade is one pair, man, F them. Block your ears. If it's 2 pairs and it's making you profitable consistently, stick to it. Do not listen to what anyone is saying. Let them keep hating. Let them keep hating. They keep hating, you keep making money. I know, right? A1 Media Group. Mazo BA is actually gonna be next year. I'm gonna close this, and it's gonna be NAS 100 and XPS 500. Right now, I'm only trading NAS during NYSC, and I can tell you that since I've been doing that 4 weeks now, right? So a month, right? A month, which is 4 weeks, I've only had 3 losses. 4 weeks, 3 losses, trading NAS. So why would I want to stop? 4 weeks, that's 22 trades. Out of 22 trades, I only took 3 L's. 3 L's, 19 wins. You know what that win rate is right there for that month? I'm not good at maths, but let's do it real quick here if this thing can load for me. Freaking fake out here. If you had jumped in this trade blindly, you'll be taking a loss right now. Alright, so I want to see 19 wins, 3 losses, 86% win rate for that month. I'll take it. That was my NAS win rate for 1 month. What news is that, Jenkins? On what pair? I mean, on what currency? Is it a euro? Alright, so while we're waiting here, if you're looking for a good and reputable broker, I strongly recommend Anchor Trade. With Anchor Trade, you can either use MT4 or MT5 as your trading platform. And with Anchor Trade, the 2 account types that I do recommend is ECN if you have less than $1,000. If you have at least $1,000, go with ECN Plus. Anchor Trade spreads start from 0.0 pips, maximum leverage of 1 to 500. negative balance protection, very good low commissions, and you can also apply for a matching deposit bonus. But if you do that, make sure your leverage is at least 1 to 200, not more than 1 to 200. And as far as the leverage goes with excuse me, as far as the leverage goes with anchor trade, I recommend using the maximum leverage, which is 1 to 500, and that's the leverage that I use myself on all my anchor trade accounts. So if you're interested in getting started with anchor trade, I do recommend using the link down below in my description. Alright guys, so let's get back to today's trade of the day. Alright, I need to see if we're gonna reject 143.0063 here. Man, we grab liquidity here, and then just pushing it up from there. Those of you that trade gold, gold really dropped today. And if we break this trend line, we could potentially break above these Asian highs, and that's where we look for buys. Honestly, Tochiko, to be honest with you, NAS 100 moves during all session, but it has the most volume during NYSC open, and that's the only time I trade it. For example, look at what happened today. NAS started dropping since Asian session, right? It did that today. You had entry here, entry here, entry here. This NAS 100 drop, I see three entries. One right here, got another one here, and you had another one right here. So it moved today. I wasn't expecting it to move like this. So that's just to tell you that it moves during all session, but I prefer trading it during NYSC open. Oh, if I add watermark to this thing, it kind of blocks my vision, and I don't like that. But I'll keep it on there. Yep, I see it, A1 Media Group.
time I come around you, baby girl, something doesn't feel the same. You said that I'm changing, but it's really you. I see how you play those games. Wifey type for a main man. A queen can make moves, a king can't. Snatch you up, now you taking. Gave you bricks, now you building a wall up, wall up. Lately you and I've been all love, all love. I don't know what's up with our love, our love. You forgetting all about us, oh. My jolie, oh my jolie, where are you? When I need you the most, you still MIA. This is murder, heart is melting.
Let's take a look at GJ real quick. What's GJ doing? Yep, GJ is ranging too because of the bank holiday, obviously. Oh man, if not for the holiday, GJ looks clean today.
You don't turn on me now. You don't get no time for me now, babe.
Interesting.
But it's only you that I like, babe. Tout ce que j'ai fait, c'était pour toi. Sur le haut parlement, t'écoutes pas. Tu me vois crever, mais tu bouges pas. Pourquoi, oh.
GJ looks clean.
Wall up, you can't even get the scores up. For us, I don't know what's up with our love. Our love, you forgetting all about us, oh. My jolie, oh my jolie, where you been? When I need you the most, you still MIA. This is murder, heart is melting, girl, you got me. This is murder bluffing, made you something, now you talking. I call you bluff, telling me to cool it off, cool it off. How can I cool it off, cool it off? Telling me to cool it off, cool it off. How can I cool it off, cool it off? My jolie, oh my jolie. Yeah. On me, yeah. No escaping from my mind, but low key. You know that you one of a kind, wanna show me, baby, the things you feel do with that body, yo. Show up everywhere that I be, yo. All you wanna do is party, yo. I know. You are the type that they want me about, when I'm with you, all the wrong feels alright, She the real thing, but she cold-hearted like Greenland. Church girl moving like a queen pen. Hey, yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing. She said, let me know when you're ready for me.
I know some of you like trading GJ, so we're gonna leave GJ on here. GJ and EJ. But I doubt if we're gonna have a breakout on GJ today. GJ is probably just gonna range all through. It's only gold and EJ for you today. Not bad. Beautifying GJ. I just marked up GJ. Hey, you already in GJ? You're not worried about this range, Michael? You're not worried about this range plus GBP bank holiday? But one thing I will say is that today, price action wise, GJ looks cleaner than EJ today. And it happens sometimes like that. Sometimes EJ will look cleaner than GJ, sometimes GJ will look cleaner than EJ. Oh, you already got 20 pips? Nice.
Yeah. Girl, you looking better than the photos. Need more of your time, so I'm watching you in slow mo. Yeah. Busy schedule, but it doesn't really matter when it comes to you. Yeah. I can wait till we're together. I can never get enough of you. Yeah. She said, what you want from me? Baby, what you want from me? Yeah, yeah. Nothing but your company. Sitting on the top with me. Yeah, yeah. Oh. Girl, I can give you the time of your life right now, right now. Give you the moment you never could have right now, right now. Let me in, let me in, let me in your world. Yeah, let me in, let me in, let me in your life. Yeah. Yeah. She got that vibe, she got that go-go. Oh. She mesmerized with her eyes when she's so close. Yeah. You gon' see when you get to know me. I'll be right beside you when you're lonely. How you be swinging with the body, put it on me. Won't you be the body in my story? She said, what you want from me? Baby, what you want from me? Yeah, yeah. Nothing but your company. Sitting on the top with me. Yeah, yeah. She said, what you want from me? Baby, what you want from me? Yeah, yeah. Nothing but your company. Sitting on the top with me. Yeah, yeah. Oh, girl, I can give you the time of your life right now, right now. Give you the moment you never could have right now, right now. Let me in, let me in, let me in your world. Yeah, let me in, let me in, let me in your life. Yeah.
If we break this trend line on EJ, then the Asian highs, we should continue bullish.
Girl, I can give you the time of your life right now, right now. Give you the moment you never could have right now, right now. Let me in, let me in, let me in your world. Yeah, let me in, let me in, let me in your life. Yeah.
You got snap entry on EJ. Nice. Discord, Black Math, Discord. I don't see GJ breaking these highs. I don't see GJ doing that. EJ might break it. And we got like about 30 pip range to the New York highs. So it could break this resistance or it could reject this trend line. You sent it. Very nice. Very nice. I see where your entry is. Your entry was very aggressive though. You had an aggressive entry. If I was gonna check this demand setup, it would have been this candle here. When this candle started breaking these highs, that would have been my entry. But it still went your way, so that's good. Sometimes you just gotta push that buy button or sell button. Ah, yeah, I seen it. Black math. I use I use supply and demand on when I trade indices. The entry you took on your EJ trade, that's exactly how I trade on indices. But I don't take aggressive entries though. Hold on. Are you talking about me? When did I say I trade smart money? You're probably not talking about me. Maybe you're talking about black math, not me. Because I never said I trade smart money. I said my strategy when I trade indices is supply and demand. And if you want to verify yourself, you can go to the Discord and see it for yourself. And stop jumping into conclusions if you're talking about me. We could potentially be coming back down here since we freaking rejected this trend line. But then again, this candle has no top wick, so it could flip bullish. And if this candle flips bullish, probably this will be the candle that's gonna break these Asian highs. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, GJ is not gonna do anything today at all. EJ probably is not gonna do anything either. He's just gonna keep doing this. He's just gonna keep doing this. I don't think we're gonna have a break above or break below. But we'll see what happens in the next 1 hour. Oh, Gold Sniper, you're here today. Did you catch gold? I think gold dropped today, did it? Let's see. I think gold dropped today. I'm not sure, I might be wrong, but let's see. Yep, we did. Yeah, gold dropped. If I was a gold trader, my entry would be right here. Very nice double top. Created supply here to the right. Shit. My target would definitely be this low. If I was trading gold, final target would be the lows right there. Stop loss above this wick. If I was a gold trader, and bam, this thing really dropped. And if you're a breakout trader, obviously we had a support right here. In that case, your entry will be somewhere right here. If you was waiting for breakout, entry around 1668 and final TP to the lows. Gold should be heading down to these lows at around 1654. But obviously I do not trade gold, so that's that. But if I had caught this move, my entry would be exactly right here at 1676. But I don't trade gold, obviously. So Gold Sniper, did you catch gold? Ha, you missed it, man. Yeah, GJ is still in bed. He's not gonna wake up today. I don't see gold waking up today. No shop, of course. I think he's what's the holiday about again? I think it has to do with the Queen's death, right? Oh, Saeed, you traded gold today? Very nice. I'm sure you caught those moves. You probably still in too. But this gold setup today, though, I actually like it. I actually like that gold setup. This is a very nice setup on gold. Man, that's a very nice setup on gold today. Gold gave you guys a very nice setup. Actually, since he started this downtrend, it's been giving nice setup. Damn. Wow. Look at this entry here. Entry here. Entry here. Man, it's been giving good setup and give another good setup right here. Okay, good, man. If you've not been making money on these gold sales and you trade gold, man, I don't know what you're doing because these are freaking nice setups on gold. Very nice. Very nice. If I was a gold trader, we definitely would have made money today. Ah, you told me come join us. Nah, nah, I'm good. Nope. You caught 30 pips. Very nice. No, it had top wick. Wait, it had top wick. It didn't. Let's see. So if you was waiting for breakouts, right? So your entry would have been right here because we had top wick right there at 1668. But like I said earlier, for me, shit, my entry would have been shit pre-London. I would have taken my sales during pre-London if I saw it, and if I didn't see it, then obviously I would have had to wait for this breakout at 1668. That's where my entry would have been. But the freaking move I would have taken if I saw it was this pre-London entry at 1676. That's the entry I would have taken. Double top supply. And it should get to 1654. Worst case scenario, it should at least get to 1658, which is this demand setup right here. So worst case, it should get to 1658 or 16 or 1654. So on EJ right now, if this candle flips bullish, this candle should be the candle that closes above these Asian highs if EJ is gonna actually continue bullish. Yeah, 1658 should get tapped. Yeah. I just don't trade gold, man. It's not my thing. I know some of you guys cannot go. I don't think some of you can go a day without trading gold. It's like you probably be feeling like your day is not complete if you don't trade gold. Right now, it doesn't look like I'm gonna take any trade for this London session today. Good morning, Sparkle B. Long time no see. Well, NAS is now ranging. NAS is setting up for NYSC open. Good morning, Brian. Brian, did you see what NAS did? You see what it did? Brian, just imagine if you had stayed on when you took that sell when we was in trading today. Look at it. This thing dropped 1135 points. Let's just say 1100 points. And you wouldn't have been stopped out at all. You would have been stopped out at all. Possible sells here. If we come back, tap this resistance supply, or if we come back up, tap this, you got a sell continuation right there. But now we do have this trend line. If we break above this trend line, we could continue to this right here or to these highs. So NYSC open, and we'll see what NAS is going to do. But right now it's ranging. What trade did you take on EJ? Yeah, I said when we was in training today, I said NAS should get to. I actually said if it continues dropping, it should get back to this support. Oh, you took sales? Oh yeah, it was a fake out. Because this 30-minute candle, when it actually opened bearish, it had no top wick, and we stayed out of it, and then it flipped bullish. Thereby, then it closed bullish, thereby creating a support at around 142.850. It's just ranging, nothing more. It's just ranging. Good morning, Isabella. Even if you had the entry on a 5-minute, when the candle closed below the support, previously we had a support right here, right? So when this 5-minute candle closed, what you should have done was wait for a move like this. We have the break, right? Then wait for that to see if we're gonna retest. Even if this candle comes all the way down here, do not worry, wait for the retest. Eventually the retest is gonna happen, right? Thereby creating, if we have the retest here, thereby creating a resistance here or a supply for you to continue, for price to continue pushing down, right? For price to continue pushing down, right? If that had happened, this is where my TP would have been. I was gonna target these lows right over here, these 30-minute lows right here. That was where I was gonna target if we had continued dropping, but that didn't happen, so that's why I stayed out of it. If you're trading on the 5-minute, guys, always wait for the break and retest on the 5-minute. If you're using if you're just trading freaking breakouts on the 5-minute, just breakouts, you're gonna get faked out a lot of times. That's why I do not trade breakouts on the 5-minute, because I do not like it. Break retest, because by the time you have the retest on the 5-minute, the 30-minute could be getting ready to flip bearish or flip bullish on the 30-minute or even the 1-hour time frame. Right, we're just ranging. Looking at this right now, EJ should drop, but I'm not gonna take it. It should drop and head back to this support, but I'm not gonna take it. And I'm not gonna call it for you guys either, but it should continue back to this support. So Oscar, what I do is I use Hanko Trade for currencies, and I use Hugo's Way for indices. Now, this is why I do that. The only reason why I do that is because with Hugo's Way, when you trade indices, is in points. With Hanko Trade, when you trade indices, is in pips, right? Meaning, if you don't understand the difference between pips and points, meaning what it simply means is 1 pip is equals to, pay attention guys, 1 pip is equal to 10 points, right? 1 pip is equal to 10 points. Let me delete this candlestick so you guys can see what I'm saying here. So 1 pip is equal to 10 points, meaning if you use a broker like Hugo's Way for indices, let's say NAS 100 moves 1 pip. If NAS 100 moves 1 pip with Hugo's Way, that's 10 points. 10 points, right? Meaning if your lot size is $1, meaning you have 0.10 for your lot size with Hugo's Way, that means you're gonna make $10. That's with Hugo's Way. But with a Hanko Trade, if you use 0.10 and it moves a pip, you're gonna just make what? $1. So it is still good. So what I do is, and I do recommend this, if you want to trade indices but you have a small account, go with Hanko Trade, right? You will still make money. But if you have, and you want to trade indices, you have a small account, you can do that with Hanko Trade. You can have a $10 account and trade indices with Hanko Trade. But with Hugo's Way, you cannot do that because it moves in points, not in pips. Now, if you have a big account, then surely go with a broker like Hugo's Way and trade indices, right? Now, if you have a $2 lot size and NAS 100 moves 1 pip, that's 10 points, you made $20, and so on and so forth. So that's the difference between a pip and points, I hope that makes sense. And I use Hugo's Way for my indices, and I use Hanko Trade for currency pairs. Alright, hope that makes sense. So far, the people I have in my private mentorship, and we've been trading NAS together, they're using Hugo's Way because they have a big account. So, but if you want to come into the private mentorship, if you have a small account, just go with a broker like Hanko Trade. You will still make money and still be able to compound your income. There are a lot of people, using Hanko Trade and still trading indices. Me using a broker like Hugo's Way for my indices is just a personal preference. Alright? See what I told you guys? EJ should be heading back to the support. I just don't want to take it. That's all it's been doing. That's all it's been doing. It's just been ranging. It's just been ranging. And let me give you guys a hint in case you don't know. When you want to trade ranges, when you want to trade in a ranging market, this is how you do it. Alright? You sell the bottom. You buy the bottom, sell the top. 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 That's it. That's all you do. That's how you trade ranging market. And EJ should head back to the support. Except if he decides to reject off of this minus of this 5-minute support here before it actually continues. But that's how you trade ranging markets all day. So we could probably range here until New York session, or maybe until Asian session tomorrow. But tomorrow should be a good day. Tomorrow, let's see, what do we have for London? No holiday, so tomorrow should be a good day. No high impact news though in London either, except for the median. We have medium impact news tomorrow on the euro. So overall, tomorrow should be a good day for London session. So even if I don't trade today for London session, I'm not even tripping. And actually, guys, because of that, I'm actually gonna end this stream. I don't see us breaking out of this range at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this stream. God bless you all. Thank you guys for hopping on. And for those of you in the private mentorship with the NAS 100 signals, I will see you guys during NYSC Open. And let's keep smashing NAS 100. God bless you all. See you guys tomorrow.